born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Okay, guys, I'm going to reveal some important things you need to know about anointing oil to you. Do well not to skip any part of this video. Yeah, hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and greet you according to the time you come across this video, guys. Today I'm going to review an important thing you need to know about anointing oil to you guys. Yes, anointing oil. If anointing oil is mixed with the right things, you can do a lot of things, okay? Anointing oil on itself has powers. Yes. It has the ability to absorb spoken words. I repeat, anointing oil has the ability to absorb spoken words. So when you speak words on anointing oil, it absorbs those words, absorb those energy, and put those words you say into action. Okay, for example, if you are looking for love, okay, maybe you are looking for love, or you are looking for love, or you want to go and meet someone, or maybe you are looking for a husband or wife. Okay, if you guys want me to make video on that, because that one is going to be long, how to you can use anointing on your candle to get your husband or your wife, to get the right husband or the right wife. Okay, so if you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comment section. So I'll just introduce you to what you can do with anointing oil today. For the love aspect, is going to take a little time. So if you guys are interested, let me know in the comment section. Okay, now all you have to do is that get anointing oil, right? Depending on the work you want to use it for, get anointing oil. Then if it is for love, you get red candle. Then if it is just for general stuff, you get white candle. Okay, so light that white candle. Read any verse in the Bible or in the Quran that matches what you are looking for. Okay, that matches what you are looking for. Then as you light that candle, you are making that prayer, you will repeat that verse up to like 7 to 21 times. While the anointing oil is in a bowl, either you pour the anointing oil in a bowl, or you open it, or you open the anointing oil in a container. Okay, you put the anointing oil in a container. So once you've done this, you make your prayers on it. Then anytime you can be using it, like add it to your bathing water, or maybe add a little drop of it to your cream, to your body lotion. Okay, so you'll be using it. And if you are the type that they normally attack you in the dream, they normally attack you where you are sleeping, if they normally give you food to eat in the dream, okay, pray on anointing oil. After praying on anointing oil, then anytime you want to go to bed, be adding a little drop of it to your bathing water, and then take your bath with it. So what I'm trying to say is that anointing oil has the power, have the ability to absorb spoken words. So when you speak some words, anointing oil absorb those words and radiate the energy to the universe, who in turn matches to what you are looking for. So always learn to pray with anointing oil. Even your workplace, your shop, your business place, whatever it is, if you believe that maybe anybody is if you believe that anybody is against your business, or anybody is doing some evil charms that is trying to work against your business, okay, anybody is doing an evil charm to try to work against your business, all you have to do is to get anointing oil, leave it open, hold it with your two hands, make your prayers, your request, everything on it. Then go anoint your gate, the entrance to your premises, okay, or inside your shop, okay, anoint it. So because anointing oil has some powers, God has given to it on its own. It's just for you to speak it is spoken. It's just for you to it speaks the word. That's just your own. God has some powers attached to like anointing oil already. So it's just for you to speak the words of what you want. So literally, anointing oil can do almost everything for you, almost everything for you. So at time to time, add anointing oil. Maybe you are going to an interview. Yes, you are going for an interview. You have to do is pray on anointing oil, speaks the words on it. Okay, hold it with your two hands while you are looking at it. Most time, me, I prefer putting it inside bowl. I just put it inside bowl where I can easily speak on it very well, spite on it if I like. So open it, face it, let it face you very well. While as you are speaking the words, let as in let the air coming out from your mouth be going indirectly to the anointing oil to absorb your words and put into action for you. These are the best way to use anointing. Not you who are anointing oil and the anointing oil is closed. No, don't hold it close, okay? So you have to make sure it is open when using it. Or let me see when pray for it, okay? Make sure your face is directly to it while you speak the water. Let coming out from your mouth go directly into the anointing oil. So it's like if your anointing oil can do almost everything for you. If you are going to ask for anybody for favor, okay, a night to that night, okay, make sure you get anointing oil, get a candle, make your prayers on it, leave the anointing oil open there, the next you bath with it before going to that person's place. So anointing oil can literally do almost everything for you. Or maybe for example, you always have a tank in the night. Okay, you can sleep well. Maybe bad charms or maybe evil spirit or let me see, evil spirit or witches attacking you. All you have to do is to just get anointing oil, get red oil, get salt. Okay, first of all, you add salt to the water. After adding salt to the water, then add red oil to the water. After add red oil to the water, and then add anointing oil to the water. Then make all your prayers, all your requests on it. It's not necessarily mean that you must pour the whole anointing oil. Even if it's just a drop of it, is okay. Okay, even if it's just a drop of it, we still work as you put much on it. The same way the more the plating one, they will as in if you add more quantity to it to the water. Okay, so make all your prayers on it. Then take your bath. You do this either around before when you are going to bed, or the best time to do it is 12 a.m. in the night. So what are you waiting for? Hit that like button if you find this video helpful. Hit that like button. Okay, if you've not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe. Hit on turn on the notification bell